channel. Today we have to solve Mathematics Syllabus D 4024 version 1-2 paper 1 of October-November 2024. It is paper 1 means calculator is not allowed here. So let's start it. Question number 1 is write 43.07862 correct to 3 decimal places. So we have to write this as correct to 3 decimal places, and this is the number we have to write to correct to 3 decimal places. So this is the number we have to write to correct to 3 decimal places. So it should be 43.078 till here. We have to drop the 6 and 2 because 6 is greater than 5, so this 8 will be rounded off to 9. So answer will be 43.079. So because the last digit 6 is greater than 5, so the next digit should be increased by 1, so it becomes 8 become 9, so it is 43.079. Next is at midnight the temperature is -7 degrees centigrade. At 11 a.m. the next day the temperature is 12 degrees centigrade. Find the increase in temperature from midnight to 11 a.m. So we have to find the difference between the temperatures. So for this, always as it was in the paper version 1.1, we will subtract the smaller number from the bigger number. So we'll write it 12 minus 7, and this will become 12 plus minus plus, so this will become 12. This will become 12 plus 7, and 12 plus 7 is, we all know is 19, so it will be, answer will be 19 degrees centigrade. Next is write these numbers in order of size starting from the smallest. So we have to convert them in the 2 over 3 is actually 0.66, so I write it 0.67 because it is 0.6666, so it becomes 0.67, and 66% is 0.66 again, and 0.6 is as it is 0.6, and this 16 or 25 we will write it like that. We will write 16 inside and divided by 25, or you can multiply it both with 100. If you multiply it with 4, it will become 100, it will be 64, so this will be 0.64. 0.64, this is 0.64, and next is 0.606, so it can be written as 0.61 and corrected to decimal places, so I write it 0.606. So smallest of all is 0.6, so we will first of all we will put the smallest is 0.6, so 0.6 will be the first number here. Then next is 0.606, this one is bigger than this, so it will be 0.606. Next is 0.64. Next, this one is actually equivalent to 16 over 25, so 0.64 we should write it here 16 over 25 here. We will write 16 over 25, 16 over 25 here, because this is 0.64 is equivalent to this. And then we have 0.66. 0.66 is actually 66%, So instead of 0.66 we will write 666% because we should answer in the form the question is given 66%, and next is 0.67 which was actually 2.3. so instead of 0.67 we will write here 2.3. we will write 2/3. so this is the correct answer and the correct order starting from the smallest. Question number 4 is simplify this. We have to simplify this. Is a simple index problem from the index t4 into t. We multiply it. When multiplied, the powers are added, so this will become t power 4 plus 3. We write 4 plus 3, and in the denominator it is t power 10. Okay, write a t power 10 as it is for just to explain it. So it will become 4 plus 3 is 7, so this will become t power 7 over t power 10. So this can be, we should answer in the positive power, so it should be 7 will be shifted to the denominator, so this will become 1 over t power 10 minus 7, because when this 7 is shifted here, it will be subtracted. When you subtract powers are, when you divide powers are subtracted, so this will become 10 minus 7. So answer will be 1 over t power 3. That's it. Or you can write a t power minus 3. Both answers are correct, but preferred way is to write in the positive power. Next is 6 under root 6 square. So this will be written, can be written as 6 power 1 over 2 whole square, or you can write it 2 into 1 over 2. Then this 2 is cancelled with this 2, so we left with 6. So answer is 6. Next is the pie chart angle is given. So we should know the total sum, because the total number ratio of the number of people to the total number of people should be equal to ratio of the corresponding angle to the 360, because the total angle, central angle of the circle is 360. So first of all we should know the how many people are there. So this will be, we add all of them. 15 plus 45 is 60, 60 plus 20 is 80, 80 plus 10 is 90. So these are 90 people actually. So 45, first of all we write 45 to calculate the angle, 45 over 90 into half. So it will quite easy when you multiply it into 360 to get the angle. So this will become 180, because 1 over 2 and right to 94 are 360, so this will be equal to 180. So angle 180 degrees. So in this column we will write 180 degrees. Next is 20. So we'll write, for this we'll write 20 over total number of people is 90. So this is proportional to the angle. So angle is, total angle is sum is 360 to get the angle. And we get 94, so 4 into 20 is 80. So here is 80. And it is quite obvious when you subtract all of this from the 360, it will come, you can multiply 10 by 4 to get 40 here, because 10 over 90 into 360 is equal to what? We multiplied 94 the, so 10 for the 40, that's why it is 40. So yeah, 180, 80 and 40 is here. That's it. Next is this information. One is given, camping is 60%, 60 degree, and next is here 180. So for this we get 180 between, if we straight here, we put a straight line or 180, make an angle of 180 with the protractor. This angle should be 180, and we will write what here, in this part we will write next is beach. Here we write beach. Here we will write beach. Next is cruise. Cruise is 80 degrees, so we make a angle of 80 degree here, from here somewhere here is rough. You can do it by the protractor and make an angle of 80 degree here, and right here cruise. Then next is 40 degree. We write, put it here 40 degree, and right here hiking. This is for the hiking. I write only H. H is for hiking. You should write hiking. So this completes this question also, this part also. Next is question number 6 is a laptop costs $800. In a sale, the cost is reduced by 15%. Write out the cost of the laptop in sale. So because 15% is reduced to 100 minus 15 is 85. So we will write here, we have to calculate the 85% of, percent mean over 100. So we have to calculate the 85% of mean multiply $800 sign. So we calculate it, put a dollar sign here, as you cannot, so this will become 100 times 8 is 800, so we have to multiply 8 by 85. 8 5 is 40 and 8 is 64, 64 plus 6 plus 4 is 68, so 680 is the answer. That's it. 680 should be the answer. Dollar sign. Next is work out 3 by 4 plus 5 over 6. They give you your answer as a mixed number in simplest form. Okay, I write it 3 over 4 plus 3 over 4 plus 6. Okay, we multiplied this by 3 to make, because 6 and 4 have LCM of 12, so multiply this by 3 to make it 12. So over 4 into 3, this become 12, plus we multiplied this by 2, so we write 5 multiplied by 2, because 6 and 4 have the LCM of 12. You can do it by the prime factorization method, you can do it directly. It is up to you. Both answers are correct. So you can write it 3 3 is 9 plus 5 2 is 10, and then 6 into 2 or 4 into 3 is 12, so 12 is the LCM. Then you write it like that. This will be the 19 over 12. 19 over 12. So when you put 19 inside and divide it by the 12, So 12 ones are 12. So 19 minus 12 is 7. So answer should be this quotient 1 whole, remainder is 7, 1 whole 7 over 12. So this is the mixed fraction in the simplest form. That's it. Next is question number 8. Sophia walks at an average speed of 4 km per hour. Work out the time Sophia takes to walk 13 km. It's very easy, as easy as ABC, because we have a formula for time as time is equal to distance over speed. So here it will be equal to distance is 13 and this is 4. When you do it in units, it should be in form of answer, hours, but we have to give it answer in the form of hours and minutes. So for this purpose we divide it by 13, 13 by 4. I put it 13 here, and you do the long division. 4 3s are 12. It means 3 are the hours. But what this is 1 over 12 minus 13 is 1. So we get 3 hours there. This quotient is hours, because this will give us 3 whole 1 over 4. So this 3 is here. These 3 are hours, because this will give you in hours. But this 1 over 4 hours is actually 1 over 4 into 60. To make it minutes, we multiply it by 60. So 1 over 4 into 60 will give us 4 1 the, for 15 the, so it will give us 15 minutes. So I give 3 hours and 15 minutes. That's it. That's the answer. Because 1 over 4 hour is the 15 minutes. Also, when she speed walks 12 minutes, 12 hours in 12 kilometers in 3 hours, then less 1 hour, 1 kilometer will be obviously will be covered by her in 1/4 of the hour, and 1/4 of the hour is 15 minutes. So answer is 3 hours and 15 minutes. That's it. Next is question number 9 is given a sequence of pattern is made using the cross and circles. So draw the pattern 4. Look here. In this first figure, you can see 2, and then here 6, and then here there are 3 plus 3 6 plus 3 9 plus 3 12. So there are 12 circles. Okay. So what should be the next one circle in the row of circle is added. Here 2 rows, 1 row, 2 row, and 3 here. So here should be 4 rows. 3 and 4. Oh no, columns. Here you have 2 columns, 3 columns, 4 columns, and there should be the 5 columns. So 5 columns mean it will be like that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. and number of crosses here. We put 1 cross, 2 cross, 3 cross, 4 cross, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then we have 5 cross, then we have 6th cross here, and then we have 1, 2, 3, 4 cross. 1, 2, 3, and 4. That's it. So number of crosses here, we have to write this. Next is complete the table. Number of cross here is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So I write here 10. So no need to draw fifth because he has 4 plus 2 6, 6 plus 2 8, 8 plus 2 10, 10 plus 2 will be 12 here. And next is number of circles, 2, 4, 6, 4 added, then we have 6 added, we should add 8, so this should be 20 here, and we can write, count this, cross check 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. So there should be 20. We add 8 here. So next will be, we have to add 2 plus 4, 6, 6 plus 6 is 12, because every two number is 2 is increased, the difference is increased by 2. Here difference is 4, here difference is 6, difference is 8, difference is 10, so there should be 30. 30 should be the answer here. So next is the expression for the number of crosses in the pattern is 2n plus 2. Find the number of crosses in pattern number 35. So we put n instead of 35 in place of n in the here. So we get 2 times n is 35. So put 35 here, and then plus 2. So this will be equal to 2 times 35 is 70, because we should know the board mass. Bracket open, division, multiplication, so multiplication before addition. 70 plus 2 is 72. Here is 72. Find in an expression in terms of n for the number of circles in pattern n. So first of all, look this 2 into 2. Similarly, this 6 can be written as 2 into 3. This is pattern number 2. Keep in mind. Similarly, 12 can be written as, next was 12, so 12 can be written as 3 into 4. Next was next was 20. So 20 can be written as 4 into 5. So both numbers are different by 1 here. It means this is n, this is first pattern, so f is first number. So it is 1 into the pattern number multiplied. Similarly, this 12 is 3 multiplied by 3 plus 1. Similarly, this 20 can be written as 4 into 5 is 4 plus 1. So look here, we have made a pattern here. Pattern number into pattern number plus 1. So if the pattern is number is n, then it will be n into n plus 1. So the answer should be here, because for fourth pattern it is 4 into 4 plus 1. So for nth pattern it will be n into n plus 1. So if you put the n for different positions, you will get the number of circles in any pattern, number of patterns. Okay, that's it. Next is the scale drawing. This scale drawing shows a field A, B, C, D. The scale is 1 centimeter to 2.5 meters. So 1 centimeter on the head drawing shows the 2.5 meter of actual. So we have to, this is the field contains a stage that is sector of a circle. This is sector of a circle. Center C. Find the actual distance, radius of the stage. I don't have access. Let me check. Distance is this. You multiply it by 2.5. So this will give you the answer correct of the actual storage. Let me check. This let's suppose this radius is r. Whatever radius you measure, you multiply it by 2.5 because this is 2.5 meters. So it gives you the answer in meters. So 2.5 multiplied by the r, whatever r is. For example, I think this r is 2.8 or something like that. If r is 3, let's suppose this is 3, then we put the here. Let's suppose this is 3, it is round about 3 because I don't have the actual hard copy of this paper. So we multiplied it by 3. Whatever you measure it by the ruler, you multiply it by 2.5. So when you multiplied this by 2.5 to this 3, the answer should be 7.5 or so, whatever answer is. So this is the method is you measure it by the ruler and multiply it by 2.5. Okay. The next is question. Next is the rest of the field is split into two zones, zone 1 and zone 2. Zone 1 and zone 2 do not include the stage. Zone 1 is region that is nearest to EA than to ED. This is construction question. Nearest to EA than to ED. So EA and ED are EA and ED. So you divide the, you construct here the angle bisector of this angle bisector of this angle. Let's suppose this is angle bisector. You draw the angle bisector. First of all, you will draw the angle bisector of this angle. Then we draw the angle bisector. Angle bisector. The method of angle bisector is you draw any arc, then put compass on this point and draw an arc, then compass on this point and draw an arc here. The point where two arcs cut each other, join this to E and extend it, and stage. Okay, this till here, no need for going further. We have to using the compass and straighter. Question is using the compass and straight edge only construct the boundary between zone 1 and zone 2 is the region. Zone 1 construct the boundary between zone 1 and zone 2. So this is the zone 1 and zone 2 boundary. This is the boundary we will not draw an angle bisector of this. Let's suppose this is the angle bisector and straight line till here. So this line is the boundary of the region. Region come. Okay. Next is shade the region that represents zone 1. Zone 1 is the region nearest to EA than to ED. EA is this one, so I shade it because outside the stake. Don't we need to go inside the stake. Okay, so draw this thing. Next is use for a concert. Tickets for the concert cost $30.7 $75. Work out the cost of 8 tickets. So $1 one ticket is the 30.70. So for 8 tickets you multiply this by 8. 8 multiplied by 30.75, sorry. When you multiply this, this will become, when multiplied, 8 5s are 40, 4 carry, 8 7s are 60, 56 plus 4 is 66 carry, 8 zeros are 0, so 6 is here, and then 8 3s are 24, so 246.00 mean answer should be $246. Sorry. So this is the cost of 8. Next is we have to factorize 4m square minus 14m. So 2 is the common divisor of 4 and 14, and also m is common here in both. So 2m is common here. When we divide 4m square by 2m, you will get 2m here. So this will become 2m, and then minus 2 4 7 the 14, so 7 here, m cancelled with m, so answer will be 2m into 2m minus 7. So answer should be 2m into 2m minus 7. That's it. Here is the list of numbers. Write down the numbers in the list, that is, write out the number that in the list that are irrational. So 2 only, so this is rational. 2 power 0 is 1, this is rational, but 5 under root is irrational, so this will be 5 under root is irrational. Then 10 over 8 is rational. 2 power minus 1 1 over 2, so it's also rational. So only irrational number here is under root 5, because 4 under root is actually 2. 2 is not irrational, but it is rational, so under root 5 is the number which is irrational. That's it. Next is next question is evaluate this. We have to evaluate this, so we have to make the powers equals to each other. This is power 7, this is power 6. To meet is 7, you write it 0.8, so this will become 5 into 10 power 7 minus 8 is 0.8 multiplied, sorry, 0.8 multiplied by 10 power 7. When you increase the power, then the decimal point is moved to the right side, how the number of digits equal to the how much the power is raised by 1, so this will be moved towards the left side by 1. So they are same, they have same power, so we can write it 5 minus 0.8. 5 minus 0.8 is 4.2, because 5 minus 0.8 is 4.2, and multiplied by 10 power 7. So this is in the already in standard form or this scientific notation. So answer is 4.2 into 4.2 multiplied by 10 power 7. That's it. Next is question number 14. 120 is written as the product of prime factors, and 126 also written as the product of prime factors. The lowest common multiple of 120 and 126 is 2520. Write 2520 as the product of its prime factors. The lowest common product of common and non-common, and there is 3 bigger. In LCM we put the bigger power. Here 2 power 3 is bigger, so 2 power 3 is there. It is some LCM just like the union, and if you have to find the HCF, that is just like the intersection. So this is 2 power 3 and this will be 3 square, and that's it. That is equal. This is the we have written the 2520 as the product of its prime factor, because LCM is equal to product of common and non-common factors. So answer is 2 power 3 multiplied by 3 square multiplied by 5, then multiplied by 7. You can check it by yourself by multiplying mentally. If 2 power 3 is 8, 3 power 2 is 9, 8 times 9 is 72, 72 times 5 is 360, 360 into 7 is 2520, so our answer is correct. Next is, each interior angle of a regular polygon is 160. Find the number of sides of the polygons. The formula for the interior angle for the polygon is n into each sum of angles of the polygon, interior angles of the polygon is n minus 2 into 180. So when we have to find the each angle of the interior, then put it divided by n, and is given that this is equal to 160. So we solve this formula, simple. Cross multiply, so we'll get 180 n 180 n minus 2 into 180 is 360. This is equal to, this n is shifted here and multiplied, so 160 into n is 160 n, and when you divide it, so shift this 360 to the left and right hand side and 160 n to the this side, so this will become 180 n 180 n minus 160 n is equal to 360. So 180 minus 160 is 20, so 20 n is equal to 360, and when you divide it, so n will be equal to 360 divided by 20. So when you subtract it like this, 2 1 the 2 18 the, so this 18 is the answer of the question. So here we put 18. So 18 is the number of sides of the regular polygon whose interior angle, each interior angle is 160. You can do it by directly. 180 minus 160 is 20, so they want it is always like that. So 20 and is equal to 360 and so on. Okay, if n is the number of polygons, as the number of the sides of the polygon, then 180 into n minus 160, each angle is 160, each angle is 160, 160 n should be equal to 360. So you can do it directly, but I do it in detailed way so as you can get the actual concept. So next is question is this is the question. Draw the image of the shape A after a translation by vector 3 minus 5. This is A and we have to image of the shape A after translation. So each point will be translated by 3 minus 5. So this point is actually, this point is minus 2 2. So the image of this point will be minus 2 2x and 1y plus translation vector given was 3 minus 5. When you add them, the image will be 3 minus 2 is 1, 2 minus 5 is minus 3. So image of this is 1 minus 3. I draw 1 minus 3 here, 1 and minus 3. So this is the 1 minus 3. This is the image of this point. Okay, this point is minus 2 4. So I do it minus 2 4 object plus the translation vector equal to image 3 minus 5. So this will become 1 and minus 5 plus 4 is actually minus 1. So this is 1 minus 1. So 1 minus 1 is 1 minus 1 is here. Then this image, this point is minus 1 3. So minus 1 3 minus 1 because this also this one minus 1 4, sorry, minus 1 4 minus 1 minus 1 4 minus 1 4 plus the translation vector 3 minus 5 will be equal to 3 minus 1 is 2 and this will become minus 1. So this will be 2 minus 1. 2 minus 1 is 2 minus 1 is here. Then this image will be here. No need to do it by yourself. Then 1 2 3 1 2 3 here and here. Then all of them by straight lines. this is the image of A. That's it. Describe fully the single transformation that maps shape A onto shape B. This is A is to B is the rotation through 90 degree. It's quite obvious. But what is the center of rotation? To get center of rotation, join the corresponding points. This point, open the compass more than half and then draw a arc here from here and on the both sides, on the both points, then join these arcs. So it is like that. What should we do? Okay, this is mapped. Sorry. Join these. Okay, this line this is easy, and also this point have been mapped here. So these are the two lines joining the image and object. Now draw the perpendicular bisectors of these two lines. The perpendicular bisector of this line from here to here is 1, 2, 3, 4. So 2 here. This is the perpendicular bisector, this line. This line is the perpendicular bisector. Any 2 points, any 2 points. Okay, object. Then the perpendicular bisector of this line is this should be somewhere here. Sorry. Somewhere here, it should be somewhere here. And center and the center of rotation and the angle. So center of rotation was 4, 1. So this is how you solve it. So next is the diagram showed a shaded triangle ABC. Draw on a 1 centimeter grid. Okay. The equation of the line AC is y is equal to 3 over 2x plus 1. This is line AC. 3 over 2x plus 1 because that's the y-axis at 1, so y-intercept is 1 and graded is 3 over 2. The shaded region inside a triangle is defined by the three inequalities. Y is greater than or equal to this and write down the two inequalities. Very easy. First of all, we write this inequality. This line is actually y is equal to 4, so it is less towards the left, so it is we write y is, because solid line, so we write y is less than sorry, not y, sorry, very sorry, this line is x equal to 4, sorry. So this line is, because this line is x is equal to 4, this line is x equal to 4 and this is towards the left, so left axis less than this, so we write first inequality is x is, because it's solid line, so write x is less than or equal to 4. This is the first inequality. Now second inequality, very easy. Look here, second inequality is this line. First we have defined this line. Y-intercept is here 1. So what is m? For this, m should be equal to y2 minus y1. This is y2. Y2 here is 5. So 5 minus y1. Y1 here is 1. So 5 minus 1 over x2 minus x1. x2 here is 4. So 4 minus this x is there 0. So 4 minus 0. We have chosen these 2 points a and b. So 5 minus 1 is this is 5 and this is 1. That's why y2 minus y1 is 5 minus 1 and x2 minus x1. x2 here is 4 and x1 here is 0. So x4 minus 0. So it is 4 over 4 is 1. So y, this equation is actually y is equal to x plus 1, and this is below this line. So for this inequality, for this the inequality showing the area under this line, so should be y is less than or equal to x plus 1. So second inequality is y is less than or equal to x minus 1. First inequality was x is less than equal to 4 and second was y is less than or equal to x plus 1. That's it. Next is work out the area of the triangle ABC. Area of triangle is this triangle, and we have to find the area of this triangle. 1 over 2 base into height. From here, this is height. This is height. And this is 1, 2, 3, 4. 4. And height base is from -5 to +5. 10 actually. Count this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So base is 10. So 1 over 2 into 10 into 4. Area should be 1 over 2 into 10 into 4. So area will be equal to 1 over 2. This is 1 over 2 into base into height. Base, you can write formula here. Base into height. So this is equal to 1 over 2 into 10 into 4. 4 is the height. So 2 1 the, and then 2 5 the, 5 4 the 20. So this should be 20 centimeters square because this triangle was drawn at a grade of 1 centimeter. Okay, next is question number 18. A cumulative frequency curve is given for the record message in grams of 60 coins. Use the diagram to find the estimate of the interquartile range. Interquartile range is the lower upper quartile minus lower quartile. Upper quartile is 3/4 of the total. So 3/4 of the 60. Actually, total frequency is 60, I think. Yes, 60. So 3 over 4 of the 60 is. I write it here for you. So first we calculate the upper quartile. Upper quartile is equal to 3 over 4 into 60th value. 3 over 4 into 60th value. So this will be 3 4 the 4 15 are 60, so 15 sometimes 3 is 45, so it is the equal to 45th value, 45th value, and 45th from here I check it here, 45 is there. This is 41, 42, 43, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 from here. And write 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And on this line, where this line cuts the mass x-axis, that will be the upper quartile, and upper quartile of 300. So this is the actually 300 grams. 300 grams. Okay, you can write grams here. Then lower quartile. Lower quartile is actually 1/4. 1/4 is, it is 15, so it is 15th value. 15th value, 15th. From here, 11, 12, 13, 14, and 15. This is 15. To 10, to 20, 205, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45. This is 5. So this is 205. So this is 205 grams. Lower quartile is given. So upper quartile minus lower quartile gives you the interquartile range. So interquartile range is 300 minus 205. That's it. So interquartile range is 95 grams. Next is an onion is large if its mass is at least n grams. 24 out of 60 coins are large. 24. So 60 minus 24 is 36. It means 36 are not large. Okay. So we write, check the 36. 36, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36. This is 260 because this number is 260, therefore the n here is if the mass of an onion is less greater than 260, this is large. Okay, or so answer here should be 260. Next is the diagram shows two mathematically similar mugs. So we have to use the formulas for the similar figures. The smaller mug has a width of W centimeter and holds 270 milliliter when full. The large mug has a width of 8 centimeter and holds 640 milliliter when full. Find the value of W. Very easy question, because we have formula V1 over V2 for the similar figure. The ratios of their volumes is equal to the cube of the ratio of their corresponding sides. So we put here a cube. Okay, here in this question V1 is 270 and V2 is 640. So I write here 270 I write here 270 over 640, and here it is W over 8, W over 8 cube means W cube over 8 cube. So we solve it. This is cancelled here. Now we take the cube root on both sides. When we take cube root on both sides, 27th cube root is actually 3 and 640 cube root is 4, so 64 cube root is 4. So this is equally 3 over 4 equals W over 8. We take the cube root on the both sides. When you take cube roots, these cubes are cancelled and this gives the cube root of 27 is 3 and cube root of 64 is 3, because 3 times 3 times 3 is 27, 4 times 4 times 4 is 64. Now you do the cross multiplication. Shift this 8 here, it will be multiplied, and so you will get W equal to 3 over 4 multiplied by 8, and this is 4 1 the 4 2 the, so W times 3 times 2 is 6. So here we get 6. So W is equal to 6 centimeter. Next is that was question number 19, and question number 20 is simplify this algebraic basic, and again from the indices. So it is 16 a power 20 whole power 3 over 4. Okay, this can be written as 16 power 3 over 4, because when a into b whole power n, it becomes a power n, n is here 3 over 4, and b is a power 20, b power n, a power 20 whole power 3 or 4 whole power is multiplied, so it is 20 power is 20 times 3 over 4. Look here, it is very easy because 16 is 2 power 4, so I write 2 power 4 multiplied by 3 over 4, and then we write a power 4 1 the 4 5 the, and here 2 is cancelled with 4 is cancelled with 4, and here we find 5 3 the 15. So this will become 2 power 3, 2 power 3 is 8. So answer is 8 a raised to the power 15. That's it. That's the answer of the question. Expand and simplify. So it's very easy. First of all, we will multiply this 2c with 4c, then this 2c will be multiplied with 3d, then this 9d will be multiplied with 4c, and again will be multiplied this with 3d. So let's do it. Very easy question. Let's do it. Do it. 2 times 4c, 2 times 4 is 8, and c times c is c square, so we'll get what? First we get 8 c square, then we multiply 2c with 3d plus minus minus, and 2 3 is 6, so it will become 6 cd. Then we multiplied 9 with 4, 9 with 4 is 36 plus, because it is plus, so plus 9 4 are 36, so this will become 36 cd. Then 9d with plus minus minus, and 9 3 the 27, so 27, and then we get d into d is d square. Now I can write it 8 c square. This is only one. No, these two are like terms, these two. 30. So this will come plus 30 c d, then minus 27 d square. So this is the answer. I write it again for you. 8 c square plus 30 cd, and then minus 27 d square. So that's it. That's the answer. Next is the inverse of matrix is given by this: m and k are positive integers, and m is less than k. The determinant of matrix is 1 over is 20. It is shown here because inverse is 1 over determinant into adjoint of this. Find a. Very easy question, because this is adjoint. Okay, so a should be equal to, I write it there, find a should be equal to k, because when you take the adjoint, you take the reverse this, shift the change the position and change sign there. So this should be minus 7, and this should be plus 1. So determinant is of this will be equal to mk m into k and plus 14. This should be equal to sorry, not so, sorry, very sorry. This is, sorry, this is 1, this is not 2, 7 1 is 7, sorry, this is 7, should be equal to 20. So mk is equal to 20 minus 7 is 13. Now we have to think of two numbers, two integers, because it is given that are two positive integers given here, and m is less than k. So only two integers bit makes 13 by production. They are 13 and 1. So m is less. So m is equal to 1. M should be equal to 1 and k should be equal to 13. That's it, because they should multiply to get 13. So now two numbers and only two integers which makes 13, because 13 is a prime number as 13 and 1. So that's why m is less than k shows that m is 1 and k is 13. So when I write a here, so k is 13, so here should be 13 and here it should be 1. This should be minus 7 and this should be 1 again. So that's it. Next is f of x is given, g of x is also given. Find f of minus 7. F of minus 7, so you put 7 here. So this will be equal to, I write it directly, 3, and x is minus 7, so I put here minus 7 and minus 1, then divided by 2. 3 into minus 7 is minus 21, so this is minus 21 minus 1 divided by 2. This will be equal to minus 22 divided by 2. So answer should be 2 ones are 2 11s are, so answer should be minus 11. That's it. Find f inverse of the method is very easy. First we do put y is equal to this given function. So we put y is equal to 3x minus 1, sorry, here should be x, 3x minus 1 divided by 2. We put it equal to y and then make y x the subject of formula. So this will become 2y is equal to 3x minus 1, or we write 3x is equal to 2y plus 1. So x will be equal to 2y plus 1 whole divided by 3. This is the x. X is equally by y equal to f of x, then x equal to f inverse of y. So we get f inverse of, next line we get, right, f inverse of y. This implies that f inverse of y is 2y plus 1, 2y plus 1 divided by 3. This is f inverse of y. So f inverse of x will be equal to, we replace y with x, so this will become 2x plus 1 whole divided by 3. This is the f inverse of x. That's it. Next is given is f of 99 9 over 25 is g of x. So find x. See, g of x is 5 power x, and f of 9 over 25 means we put 9 over 25 here in this formula. So let's solve it. Put the values here. f of 925 is 3 into 9 over 9 over 25, because f of x is 3x minus 1, so put 9 over 25 in place of x in the definition of f of x, minus 1 over, this is 3x minus 1, and this x is 9 over 25 over 2 should be equal to g of x. G of x is given as 5 power x. Okay, so we have to solve this exponential equation to find the value of x. On the left hand side we have to make it as a power of 5. Now this is 27 over 25, so I can write it like that: 27 minus 25 divided by 25. I take the LCM. Okay, multiplied 3 with the 9 and take the LCM of these two numbers, and in the denominator this is only 2. So 27 minus 25 is 2, so this is 2 over 25, and this 2 is actually multiplied by 1 over 2. You can write it like this. This is denominator. Okay, now this 2 is cancelled with this 2, and this, all of this is equal to 5 power x. Okay, now this is 1 over 25, so I simplify it. This is 1 over 25. 1 over 25 is 1 over 25. 25 is actually 5 power, and this is equal to 5 power x, or you can write it 5 power 2, 1 over 5 power 2. This is 1 over 5 power 2, so this can be written as 5 power minus 2 is equal to 5 power x. Bases are equal, so powers are equal. This implies that x is equal to minus 2. This is the answer of this question. Okay, that's it. So next is sets and Venn diagrams question. A theater offers a singing lesson S, a dancing lesson D, and acting lesson A. These are three sets, A, D, and A, S, D, and A. A group of 40 people are asked which lesson they take part in. Some of the results are shown. So we have to complete this. The question is, all 40 of them take part in at least one of them. So 7 people take part in dancing only. So here I put 7. 19 people take part in singing lesson. 19 total. Okay, 19 total here. 4 times as many as people take part in singing lesson only as those of take part in all 3 lessons. Use this information to complete the Venn diagram. Okay. Singing only is 4 times as compared to the all 3. Here is all 3. Yes, this is all 3. So 7 plus 6, 6, put x here, then there should be 4x. Okay, now 6 plus x. 19 we will take in for singing lesson only. Okay, so here if I write a single lesson, oh, 3 people take part in a singing lesson and an acting lesson but not in the dancing lesson. So very good. So there it should be the 3 here, because 3 people take part in a single and acting. Single and acting is common to them, but not in the dancing. So out of dancing. So now this should be equal to 19. Okay, 6 plus 3 is 11. 6 plus 3 is 9. 9. So 19 mean these two make 10. So to make them 10, 4x plus 5x is equal to, you can write it like that. I can work it out here for you. 5x, because in singing lesson 19 people take part in singing, overall 19. So this all of them should be equal to 19. So 6 plus 3 is 9. So 19 minus 9 is 10. So x plus 4 is 5x. So it means this 5x should be equal to 10. This implies that x should be equal to 2. When x is equal to 2, I can write that this is 8. Sorry, this is 2. Sorry, this is 2 because x is 2 here. X is 2, so this is 2, and this 4x. I mean, you can on the working you can draw this, okay, and then write in the answer space. This should be 8. Now to make them 40, we add them. 8 plus 10 is 18. 18 plus 2, you can add 20, this is 19. 6 plus 2 is 8. 8 plus 8 is 16. 16 plus 3 is 19. 19 plus 10 is 29. 29 plus 7 is 36. So 40 minus 36 should be equal to 4. So here is 4. It means here it should be 0, because all of them, there is no outside of, in complement of all them is 0. So that's the answer of the question. Use set notation to describe the set with 10 people. 10 is here. Okay, we have to do the set notation. This is actually intersection of S union. It is a complement of S union D, but intersection with 10. So it is the E intersection S union D complement. You can put C here or put dash also. So this is the out of, not in S and D, but also in, but present in A. So this is the set notation to represent the set with 10 elements. There's 10. Okay, that's it. Next is, so we have to find the equation of the line perpendicular to, we will find perpendicular to PQ and passing through minus 1, 4. So first we find the gradient of PQ. This is using the formula y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. Here y2 is minus 4, minus 2, y1 is 4, so minus 2 minus 4, x2 is minus 3, and x1 is minus 1, so it is 3 minus 1 plus 1. When simplified, it comes out to be 3. So gradient of the PQ is 3. So any line that is perpendicular to PQ will have gradient as minus 1 or 3, because two perpendicular lines have the gradient as vector reciprocals of each other. Now equation of the line perpendicular to PQ will be equal to minus y is equal to minus 1 over 3x plus c. Y is equal to mx plus c. So we have to find C. In order to find C, we use the given condition that is passed through point P. Point P has a coordinate as minus 1 comma 4. So put x as minus 1 and phi is 4. When simplified, C comes out to be 11 over 3. So put the value here in this equation. The equation comes 1 is equal to minus 1 over 3x plus 11 over 3. So this is the correct answer. Or you can simplify it and write it 3y is equal to 11 minus x, or you can write it x plus 3y is equal to 11. Whatever answer you write, all the answers are correct. So next is we have to show that OC is equal to 8b minus 3a. And first of all, it was AB in terms of A and B. AB can be written as OB minus OA. OB is 2B and OA is 2A, so it is 2B minus A. So AC can be written as AC plus OA plus AC. So it can be A plus 4 times of AB because it is given that it is ratio 1:3. So OC AC is equal to 1 plus 3, 4 times of AB. Okay. Put the values of AB. AB is 2b minus a multiplied by 4 to get 8b minus 4a. So a plus 8b minus 4a. When simplified, it comes out to be 8b minus 3a because a minus 4 is minus 3a. So we have shown that OC is equal to 8b minus 3a. Next is AD is equal to KOC. Then find the value of k. Now look here. In the diagram, these two angles are equal because they are vertical angles. These two angles are equal because they are the alternate angle, and these two angles are equal because again they are the vertical angles because alternate angle because the AD and OC are parallel lines, because when a vector is a scalar multiple of other, then they are parallel. So because this comes out to be ABD and ABD and all right, ADB should be equal to COB triangle. They are similar triangles, so their corresponding sides are parallel, proportional. So AD and OC are the corresponding sides. Their ratio should be equal to AB and BC. AB and BC ratio is 1/3, so their ratio also should be equal to 1/3. That's why K comes out to be 1/3, and this completes our paper 1 of October November 2024 variant 1-2. I hope you like my video. If you have any queries, you can ask me in comments. If you are new to my channel, so please subscribe and press the bell icon so that you can get all the notification of my coming videos. Stay tuned to BD Physics. See you in next video very soon. Until then, Allah Hafiz. Take care. Goodbye.